We put now cooked rice ready. We put now the with milk.
Everybody likes it, and it's a very typical dessert. When we have receptions in the embassy, we also serve a lot of rice pudding.
Turkey is very using, very making too much rice pudding. First one, milk and sugar, vanilla powder, corn starch, rice, but today we make special different style. We put gum. We put rice here, and then we put 2 glass water, and then we put separate. First one is cooked. Ten minutes. Second one, we open this here, milk. We put here milk. We also separate. We here put make heated. We put sugar. Put vanilla essence. We put gum. We put now cooked rice ready. We put now the with milk. Now we make mix. Yeah, we like this now. We waiting for the boiling. Cornstarch. Good now. Rice to get them melted. We like make nice sticky, and then we can put next service or put over. See. Now it's ready. Rice is getting like porridge. We now put cup. We put this down for the plate, water, before inside neck for the not boil, only for the top making brown. Okay, if you put oven, if you want quick, you can do 200, 220. But if you want the look, the color is like brown, you can take. Hi. We now ready. We put waiting for the cold. If you want to put up something for the different taste, you can put pistachio, walnut, hazelnut, you can coconut. You can for the different tasting. We today have pistachio. We using for the top pistachio. This is rice pudding. You can make easy, but very delicious. You can make easy to home.
It's a Turkish famous rice pudding. The general name is stach. We consume it all regions of Turkey. Everybody likes it, and it's a very typical dessert. And we put pistachio. You know, we grow a lot of pistachio. I think the best pistachios in the world are grown in southernest part of Turkey. And we have also many dishes made with pistachio. And also with our dessert, we either drink tea or coffee. Turkish coffee is world famous. You already heard, I believe. We cook it in this special copper coffee makers. It's so good. See, you can feel the creamy taste. Very good, very delicious. Please try the rice pudding home. I know Japan is the country of rice. You try with rice with so many different dishes. This is another interesting taste for you. Just try it. You won't regret it. It's really tasty.